Alright, good morning. You awake? Yeah, someone's tired. It's just before 6 a.m. We're on our way to Starbucks because guess what? Yet another Cars and Coffee. Everybody seems to enjoy the DuPont Cars and Coffee, so that's where we're heading once again. Now, as everyone knows, this is the one we have to get to really early. So hopefully we'll actually get a parking spot this time. So I'm pretty excited. She'll be excited if she ever wakes up.
I need coffee.
I know. It's early. Anyway, thank God for quiet mode. I know, it's like neighbors don't get too pissed, otherwise the whole neighborhood would be awake right now. But anyway, we'll see you at Starbucks.
Need sugar.
Need sugar? Alright, got our coffee. About to head out. Is it good? Much better. About to head out. Should be getting a parking spot. I keep hearing all the cars drive by like, oh, this is gonna be a good show. Those who are new to the channel, her dream car is a Ford Galaxy.
It's nice. I want that one, and I can make it the color I want.
We were saying that's the one we would get because the paint, it's on the very rough side. It looks like it might even only be in primer, so that's the one we want. So we'd paint it baby blue, so it'd be her dream car. If money were absolutely unlimited, we'd coyote swap it, so it'd be my dream car. It'd be our dream car. It's couple goals right there to have a couple's dream car. Tell me about it, right?
Oh yeah.
Someday when the money's right. Yeah, it seems like it just started. Everyone's like, there's like 4 of them.
I have no idea.
Join the race.
He's here, so.
Is this officially what we're getting when we hit the lottery?
And your dreams, and mine too.
So that's the car we're getting, the Vader.
It's fucking pretty. I'd want to drive it, that's for sure.
I mean, yeah, it's like that's probably only a show car.
Yeah, because it doesn't look like it's been drilled at all. And look at the friggin' wheels, and it's just like...
The wheels, the paint.
Like a car you would drive, just looks like almost like a big paperweight that you just look at.
I feel like this has been in at least one Fast and the Furious movie. I could be wrong about that. There's always those guys that know everything about the cars in Fast and the Furious. She is right though, it's gorgeous.
Everyone's leaving. Okay, there's gotta be something else. Just noticing, like, there's tons of cars leaving.
Yeah, we got all the people standing in front of it, but is that not your dream car right there, the blue McLaren?
Oh my god, that's just so my dream car.
Is
I
it?
just want that.
Especially because it's blue.
The color is what brings the attention.
That is really good looking, that blue McLaren. It stands out.
Yeah, the color is what it stands out the most. Next to the peat green one, it's like, the blue is so much prettier.
You don't like the 600 LT?
Sorry, but yeah.
I like the green. I don't think I would do green, but I like it.
No book green for me, thanks. It's kind of a cool color. Kind of like a, more like a metallic orange, not like bright orange. Like, oh my god, I like that color too. It's kind of I'm still getting.
I'm getting stuff. I'll still get all of it.
It's got fluffies.
Smell of freedom. Photo shoots. Alright, I think we're getting ready to head out here. There's not too much going on. Seems like kind of a smaller show today. Got this camo Lamborghini.
Never thought a guy would have driven it. Thought it would have been a woman.
I think it looks good, you know what? It's one of the...
purple with, yeah.
It's take it or leave it. I remember I had a comment on that, my Instagram, of that car. Basically, the guy said, I saw it in person but wasn't a fan. You know, I disagree. I kind of like it, but then again, I'm attracted to things that people don't like. I think there's something special about that. Anyway, we're about to go get breakfast. If someone needs another cup of coffee. That's contagious.
Sorry.
I don't know, what would you say your favorite car was today?
The blue one?
The blue McLaren?
Yep.
Yeah, definitely. That's her dream car now. I guess that may edge out the Galaxy as your dream car, does it?
No.
No.
I like the classic.
No, I think we'd rather have the Galaxy over that, but that's a close second. If we had unlimited money, that's what we would get.
True.
But yeah, I think we're about to head out, get breakfast. BMW sounds good. We're gonna see if there's another show, because this has been kind of it. I don't want to say it's a disappointment, but yeah, where is everyone going? There's clearly another show going on or something.
Even the people are packing up the coffee.
Exactly. It's also supposed to rain this afternoon, so maybe that's it. We're back to Florida summers again, where it just rains nonstop. That nice Chevelle though over there, about to leave. Alright, anyway, let me know in the comment section below what car is your favorite, because a lot of good looking cars here, even if there weren't as many, still some amazing looking cars. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Hopefully we'll be able to bring you all another video this afternoon if we can find another event going on. But anyway, take care, have a good day.